Here's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 1 garage and a nice large fenced-in backyard in Lawrenceville. The kitchen has granite countertops and tile backsplash and all updated black appliances. It also has a sitting breakfast area looking out to the backyard. The entryway is also the living room with hardwood floors, and it overlooks the basement bonus room with fireplace. The stairs and hallway upstairs are all hardwood, and it comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. Here is the guest bathroom. It's got tile floor and updated sinks and cabinets. This is the master bedroom with a nice view of the backyard, a lot of natural light, as well as its own private bathroom, also with tile floors and updated sink and cabinets. There are 2 guest bedrooms in the upstairs, both good size.